Hey guys, it's Jack here
and Lexie.
And today we are going to be making a collaboration on how to make your own DIY Project Zorgo mask. Now, Project Zorgo is a group of YouTube hackers who are trying to take down YouTube for good. The main person that they are trying to take down is Chad Wildclay. His link will be in the description down below.
So first what we've got to do is cut holes in the nose and the mouth. So Jack, you go first.
Okay. So I'm just going to try and get into this. This will be quite hard. We got these masks at our local craft shop and they're really hard to cut through.
We might need some help. So that's holes all done. Now it's time for painting.
But I'm not going to be doing the painting just yet. First I'm going to be doing some paper mashing to add some of the iconic features of the Project Zorgo mask.
Obviously that is a choice. You can just paint it like me. You don't have to do any paper mashing. But yeah, let's get on with it.
First, you want to make this, if you're doing paper mashing, you want to first try and make the solution, which is 1 part glue, wait no, 2 parts glue, isn't it, and 1 part water.
I don't know what I'm meant to be doing. Can't see the picture.
Oh, sorry. I'm just going to quickly try and paint the general idea of the eyebrow. So this is the mask picture that I am following.
We
are following.
So we've got white, black and pink paint. Jack, can I see the picture?
It's just being a bit laggy. There you go.
Thank you.
Let's get,
okay. So I've got to do... How do I do it with like the black?
Of the beard? Not sure.
It like starts off thick and then gets thinner.
Just trying to get the curve of the eyebrow. And trying to give it a bit of texture as well.
Okay, so I think that's quite good for the beard thingy. It is a beard, isn't it? Or is it moustache?
It's a goatee beard, yeah.
Be back in a second once it's all done. Okay, so now my paper mache is all done and dried. So now, as you can see, I've done the cheeks here and the eyebrows. Now I've put where the beard's going to be. Now I've done this jawline because when I was looking at the picture, I noticed that it had it. So next I'm going to be moving on to a whitewash.
So I've decided to do some paper mache because I've seen Jack's and it actually looked really good. So I've done the cheeks and the eyebrows, so now it's time to do a whitewash.
Be back when that's all done. Now that the base coat is done and dry, we're now going to be moving on to painting the features onto the mask, like the cheeks, eyebrows and moustache. Have to get quite a small brush because you don't want it to be too big.
Okay, so I'm going to do the cheeks first.
I'm going to do the beard. Beard first. Can I do a bit picture? Oh, no, it is. Be back when it's done. Now that the paint's all dry, we're going to be moving on to using some marker pens to adding the final details to these masks. Then they'll be ready to be used. And just like that, they're all done. Now they're ready to be used.
But what we're going to use them for? Just remember, Project Zorgo is always watching.
We've had a load of fun making these. Maybe you should make your own and tag us down below in the comment section.
Also, comment down below what else you want us to make. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. We'll see you next time. Bye.